do you know, you can easily estimate height of any building, gate, without using any measuring instrument. Is this really possible? Yes, it's possible. So let's continue. Wait. Remember one thing here, that here the measured value is not appropriate. It's almost near to the exact value. Let's assume a building, and on the top of the building a boy is standing with the ball. As the boy falls the ball down, it will be falling to ground in some seconds. Now, as we know from the equation of motion, s equals ut plus half of at squared. Now we have falling time t equal to 5 seconds, and here the initial velocity of the ball is 0 and r means acceleration due to gravity, that's approximately 10. Now the equation we get is like. Now our required answer is 125 meter. Now the ultimate formula you can remember is 5t squared. So now to measure any height, fall any object from the top, and start counting till the object goes down. Note the time and apply the formula. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and keep subscribed to get more. And one more thing, nowadays our education is only study and remember based. That's not a good approach, so, to all the parents, to learn your children from scratch, there are some technology based book in my description that you should try. Thank you.